If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of my life, I'm exploring the famous Grand Bazaar with my friend Jen, known as one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. Since it was our last day in Istanbul, we squeezed in a quick shopping trip before checkout and flying back to Bahrain. Jen and I had such a fun time wandering through the bustling alleys, bargaining with shopkeepers, and picking up a few stuffs for pasalubong. We couldn't resist buying some beautiful bags and other unique finds. Come join us for this quick but memorable shopping adventure at the Grand Bazaar. Let's get started! If you watch our episode 1, we stayed at a beautiful World Heritage Hotel, a cozy and charming boutique hotel located right in the heart of the old city. The best part, the Grand Bazaar is just a short walking distance. So instead of taking a taxi or public transport, my friend and I decided to simply walk from our hotel to the Grand Bazaar and enjoy the authentic streets of Istanbul one last time before our flight.
Oğlum çalışıyor. Ben de çalışıyorum. Bak ben normalde ben elimi vururum.
Okey, tamam. Okey, görüşürüz.
Do you like to look at inside?
Sampalin ng Prada.
Hypnotized, yeah.
Balikin natin yung mag-memorize mo yung ginagawa natin. Wala tayong sense of direction. Baka malapit sa Grand Bazaar. Handbrake na bilhin natin. Ayun, maantok na ito. Oh! We came here! Oh my gosh!
Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love,
nga to. Na, tara sis. My friend and I spent hours walking around, exploring and bargaining with the friendly local vendors. The people were so welcoming and kind, always offering tea while we browsed and telling us stories about their products. We enjoyed looking for unique souvenirs to take home. And of course, we couldn't resist buying a few scarves and bags as perfect reminders of our Istanbul trip. Be? Hindi, kailangan niya yan. Okay lang. Hi Jollies! And that's a wrap for our Grand Bazaar walking tour here in Istanbul. What an amazing experience it has been wandering through one of the oldest and most iconic markets in the world. Every corner of the bazaar was full of life, color, and energy. So, if you are visiting Istanbul, you have to stop by at the Grand Bazaar. It's not just a place to shop, it's a place to experience Turkish culture, history, and charm all in one. I hope you guys enjoyed joining us on this quick adventure through Istanbul's most iconic market. Don't forget to check out my other episodes in my Istanbul travel series. There's so much more of Istanbul to see and explore together. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the playlist for the other episodes. See you in the next vlog. Görüşürüz.
Trying so hard not to like you, but there's so much that I like, and none of that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So let me just let go. Story.